Continue tracking the impact of the coronavirus on our local school districts. Thousands of Dayton Public School students will return to the classroom next week for the first time in a long time, and district officials are teaming up with Dayton Police to ensure that school zone and bus safety occurs, including protection from the virus as well. 2 News reporter Madeline Ashley joins us live with how to keep kids safe as they return to class, Madeline, for the first time in a long time.
Mark, many of us remember school buses being loud and cramped. Not ideal when you're trying to stop the spread of COVID-19. But both DPS and public health say that there are other ways you can keep your children safe while they ride that bus. DPS says they're ready for in-person learning.
As far as all the COVID preventative measures, yes, we'll be doing those. We'll be adhering to those. You know, the 6-foot distancing as best as possible in the buildings, wearing masks, and definitely frequent hand washing.
But for many students returning to school, that also means taking the bus.
Then you want to make sure that you're wearing your mask properly, and that means fitting it over your mouth and your nose completely with a nice tight seal, and make sure you wear that mask all the time while you're on the bus.
Montgomery County Public Health Supervisor Dan Cefaletto says along with mask wearing, other measures should be taken too.
Try to sit one person per seat so that you're spread out as much as possible. If you do have multiple people in a seat, try to make that people from the same household. So a brother and sister, for example, who live together.
Opening bus windows and wiping down seats can also prevent virus spread. Cefaletto says if you don't have to take the bus, find other options.
Now, some people live at a distance where it may be possible to walk, or you may be able to get a ride from somebody. So if that's something you can do, you can look into that.
For now, DPS staff says if you don't have to be riding the bus, you shouldn't. And right now, they won't be running buses at full capacity. Class starts for kids who want to go back to in-person at DPS next Monday. Lyman Dayton, Madeline Ashley, 5 on 2.